The star of CES 2025 and the future of AI. CES 2025 has once again proven itself to be the global stage for groundbreaking innovations. Among the dazzling displays of futuristic tech, one creation has captured the world's attention like never before: Evo, the AI-powered humanoid robot. Evo isn't just another gadget. It's a technological marvel that has redefined how we perceive the potential of artificial intelligence. What makes Evo so remarkable? It's not just the advanced engineering or the sleek humanoid design, it's the way Evo interacts with people. On stage, Evo showcased a dazzling array of talents, dancing with effortless grace, engaging in lifelike conversations, and even painting intricate portraits that left audiences in awe. These performances weren't just demonstrations of AI capabilities, they were moments of genuine connection, sparking joy and wonder in everyone watching, both at CES and online. The internet has been buzzing with Evo's viral clips, showing everything from its synchronized dance moves to its witty exchanges with attendees. Social media has exploded with reactions, with fans calling Evo the future of entertainment and marveling at its artistic skills. Late-night talk shows, news outlets, and even celebrities have joined the conversation, further amplifying the robot's global reach. Evo has become more than a technological achievement, it's a cultural phenomenon. Evo's creator, a passionate robotics engineer, described the vision behind the robot during an interview at CES. Evo is designed to be more than just a machine. It's an artist, a companion, and a bridge between humans and technology. We wanted to show the world what's possible when AI and creativity come together. This vision is clearly resonating with millions as Evo continues to inspire conversations about the future of AI in art, entertainment, and human interaction. The story of Evo is one of connection. It's about a robot that blurs the line between machine and creativity, challenging us to rethink the role of technology in our lives. As Evo's popularity soars, one thing is certain: this isn't just a fleeting moment of viral fame. As Evo waves to the world from the CES stage, it's clear that the future has arrived, and it's more extraordinary than we could have ever imagined.